Haitian. Any other Haitian will be a bomb fling. Rifle spit military in passing. No feel like skeleton carry stove top
Are you ready to start? Alright, so you did a fantastic performance tonight on stage.
Yeah, man, thank you.
So I wanted to know a little bit about it because I've been following you on Instagram and I realized that people were bashing you over the song Bomb. So tell me a bit about Bomb and then tell me a bit about yourself because people think you're from Haiti and you want to overtake Jamaica, overthrow Jamaica.
Man.
Talk to us.
See, all the things that what did I go on in Haiti with like barbecue and the prisoners breaking through, you know. So I say, escape prison, create crisis. Come and tell about Haiti and the life I live. You know, but the life I live is in Jamaica. You know?
So where are you from? Where are your roots? You're a Jamaican or a Jamaican Haitian?
Jamaican, but my people are Haitian, you know.
Oh, your parents are from Haiti?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so you visit Haiti sometimes?
No, sir.
So tell me how you want Haiti to come take over Jamaica. Tell us about that part and the song and everything.
It's my background,
yes.
You know. My people they're stubborn, they don't like to learn new things, so they stick with the Haitian culture. So I have to go with it. I'm respectful to my parents, you know. And I listen.
So you did the song for the shock value and the machete thing and everything that
yeah, man.
Tell us about
that I go on Haiti, you see me? So the prisoners breaking out and stuff. So it's like we're escaping Haiti and coming to take over Jamaica. As you heard in the last part of the song, Jamaica is gonna be the next Haiti. Mark my words.
Right.
It's not my words, but a politician, Jamaican politician. So don't bash me again. You know.
So tell me a bit about where you're from. You're born in Jamaica. Where what schools you attended and so forth.
Montego. I recently left Cornwall College 2 years.
Oh, okay. So you're from Montego Bay.
Yeah, man.
So the video. Where was it filmed? On the water and so on. Here in
Montego Bay.
So you went to the fishing beach?
Yeah, man.
Which one is fishing beaches?
The one near the water commission.
Yes. Okay, so you went to Cornwall College, you went to what primary school?
Anchovy Primary School, Triumphant Basic School, you know, come from Mount Pillar.
Okay, so where do you see yourself in music in the next 5 years?
To be honest, we can't tell you that because I don't limit myself, you know.
Yes.
So anywhere Reggae Sumfest takes me, I'm going to go there and do what I have to do, you know.
Okay, how would you like to be remembered?
By the image, shirtless, madman, you know, madman in a clean clothes.
Okay, sir. Alright, Mr. Cornwall College.
Where you, sir, father? Yo, Johnny.
Son, where's the money?
Here's my money.
Oh.
Who she really want? Level it. Raps man, she want that she get as she touch the water. Bam, 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 bam. If let's come up, boom, bam, 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 bam. Yeah, escape great